Hi everyone, and welcome to the series titled Diary of a Sickle Cell Warrior.
This is my journey, this is my fight. This for the warriors, shining bright. Diary of a sickle cell warrior, with Sarah Ezekiel.
So in this series, I will be doing a sequel, and the title of the sequel will be Myths of Sickle Cell Disease. Now, as we all know, there are several myths out there about the sickle cell disease. However, I will just be addressing a few myths in this sequel. So myth number one, which I'll be discussing today, is the fact that a lot of people out there believe that sickle cell disease is caused by witchcraft or a witches or wizards spell. Like, seriously now, guys, how would you even think that or even believe that in this age and time? Anyway, I am here to debunk that myth and provide more information as to the causes of sickle cell disease. Now, sickle cell disease is inherited. Now, basically, it is inherited based on whatever gene or trait you inherit from your parents. For example, for somebody to be able to have the sickle cell disease, you would have to inherit the sickle cell trait or gene from your parents. A very typical example is myself. Now, I do have the sickle cell disease because I inherited the sickle cell traits from both my dad and my mom. Hence the reason why I ended up with the sickle cell disease. It is time for you to go back and Google and learn more about those things. Okay? So you just have it at your fingertips. Alright, that'll be all for now, and I hope I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that sickle cell disease is not caused by any witchcraft. Rather, it is caused by whatever trait you inherit from your parents or whatever gene you inherit from your parents. Till I see you guys next time in myth number 2, that'll be all for now. Bye.